Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn through this video the 10th class economics lesson ideas of development, and this is part 1, and through this video you are going to learn some important topics in our ideas of development lesson. So ideas of development lesson is explain what for us importantly. It is explaining our ideas are causing for our development. It means we are observing in our daily life number of ideas of man are bringing a lot of change in the life of every person. It means our thoughts, our ideas are main responsible for our development. In the same way, the development of countries also depend upon ideas of many politicians and many intelligent and many knowledgeable persons and many educated people. So in this way, we are going to explain in this lesson and what is the meaning of development. So development means what here? Example, in the ancient time, man lived like a food gatherer, and present man is a food producer. And in the ancient time, man used to walk from one place to other places, and then chariots came, and then bullock carts came, and then tractors, buses, motorbikes came, and even now aeroplanes came. So all these are what? A part of development. So development means what actually here? It is an ability of society and which is collectively achieved by all the people through their ideas, and it is an ability of going our expected level from our existed level. So man has been trying, we know very well from the ancient time onwards, how to make the surrounding area, how to make our society suitable to him. So man has been trying to mold his life from difficulty into the easy into luxurious. So in the same way, man is trying to inculcate ideas and implementing those ideas for his safety and for his luxury. So now we have to see development is a wider concept and present total which the country we are observing, all this is a part of development. So to know the development we have to learn about growth first, and so one is growth we have to know, and one is the wider concept development. So we have to learn what is the meaning of growth here. Growth explains what for us? An increase in production. An increase in production is called growth. It means in the year of 2020, suppose an industrial owner produced 100 articles, and in the year of 2021 the same producer produced 150 articles. So the 50 extra articles, how did he produce? That production, that extra production is to be called what? An increase in production. An increase in production is called growth. And what is about development? Development consisted growth plus change. Growth plus change. It means the institutional changes which are implementing by the factory owner in order to increase the production, all those changes are collectively add to growth, and the growth plus these all changes are collectively called development. So compared to growth, development is a wider process. Suppose we take the primitive stages man in the ancient time. How man lived in the ancient time? So man lived first in the forest area, then cleared the forest land, and then used the land for agriculture. Then man slowly learned about seasons, and then man cultivated crops. It means first man lived like animals. He wanted to hunt for the food. It means he also lived like an animal, and hunting for food. It means man reached from food gatherer stage to food producing stage. In the same way, number of changes are adopting now. So all these are also to be taken as a part of development. It means so many years back, what was the practice used by man for cultivation of crops? Yes, it was to be called the slash and burning agriculture, also called shifting agriculture, also called zooming agriculture. It means first man wanted to clear the forest area and then make the forest land into agricultural land and then try to cultivate crops and keep on cultivating so many years at the lastly what is happening, the soil is losing its capability, then automatically man is leaving the land trying to go to the other places and doing the same thing. So this is to be called as shifting agriculture. So nowadays we are not recommending shifting agriculture. In place of that, what are replaced? So the intensive agriculture, extensive system of agriculture, all these changes are coming. It means what are these changes are a part of development. Same way, we saw the steam engines in the past, nearly 100 years back, 150 years back, steam engines. It means trains which were run with the help of steam. And afterwards, in place of steam locomotives, we are replacing diesel locomotives. Now, in place of diesel locomotives, what came? Electrical trains came. It means why did we come from steam engine to diesel, diesel to electrical trains? So all these are, it means we are molding our society, our surrounding area, and which are unsuitable to us into suitable. So this is the entire process which we are observing, a part of development. So development is a concept which comprises the idea of man which is able to make him and able to take him from the existed level up to the expected level. So all type of changes, present society existed things and present we are experiencing, present we are enjoying, all these things are nothing but a part of development. Example, constructing canals, constructing roadways, constructing houses, buildings, and constructing transportation. All these are a part of development, and which facilities are making man's life is from difficulty into easy and easy into luxury. And this is a continuous process. Man is not stopping what he achieved up to now. Man has been doing his trials, continuing his trials in order to achieve the new ideas, and all these new ideas he is trying to implement in society and make his surrounding areas into suitable to him and easy for him, and man is trying to make his life luxury. Example, the day before day to yesterday, yesterday to today, and today to tomorrow, man has been trying to mold his life through his ideas. So this is the introduction of this ideas of development, and in our next video we are going to learn and what are the important concepts of this lesson, ideas of development. Thank you, ma. Keep on watching so that you have to learn many things about this lesson. Thank you. Okay, dear students, if you have any friends, those who are not approaching the lesson, those who are listening the lesson, not listening the lesson, and you please inform them to listen and to listen the lesson through by watching this video. Okay, ma? Okay, please share this link to the friends. Thank you.